Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin market. So as you can see, indeed, the strong price action has happened. So recently we talked that market stands in kind of the tight volatility, and since it doesn't have some intrinsic own driving factors, it needs some push that could really trigger some rally on the market, or if it will stand on its own, it probably will lead to collapse. On the daily chart, we talked that market stands tight around the major resistance and is forming kind of the bullish dynamic pressure signs, because take a look, this market is forming high lows, while trend was bearish, and we said market indeed could climb higher, taking out of this top. And that indeed has happened. So currently, market also has completed intraday three drive sell pattern that we have discussed in our daily videos. Now this pattern is completed, and the market stands at the moment where we think it's pullback here is possible, because just how free drive works. So as you know, the target of the free drive is the bottom between the second and third drive, and it stands right here around 48.90, so approximately 50 even area. This is the point where market could show the pullback here. The further dynamic of the Bitcoin will depend on the market, and now it's very difficult to forecast whether it will be upward continuation rally, or it will be a reversal and deeper pullback on the market, or it will be just a retracement. Currently, we could talk just on the situation with the pattern that we have. So from technical point of view, this is not a good moment for taking the long position, because completion of the free drive suggests deep retracement. So if you wasn't able to take the long position around the first signs, the bullish signs that we have discussed here, when the market stands around the major resistance and doesn't show any pullback, we said that, well, it could become the sign of the possible upward breakout. So then probably better to wait for some pullback, some retracement in the market that could be formed. Also, guys, we are proud to announce that we have released them on the forum our April sentiment and fundamental analysis on the Bitcoin. In particular speaking, we put a very interesting report from the Adamant Consulting. So they have this specialization on the cryptocurrency market. It's really very interesting technical report. So if you'd like to, you could find it in our forum, in our thread dedicated to Bitcoin. Particularly speaking, they suggest that market stands in a period of the accumulation, where it could spend for some time in a wide range between the 4,000 and the 6,000 area for a considerable period of time. But they think that Bitcoin already turns to the bullish stage from the bearish trend, and this is the moment that usually stands right before the major bull trend on the markets, period of the accumulation. So they bring some background for this thing. So a really interesting report. Also, as usual, we're taking a look at some events that has happened in April on the Bitcoin market, particularly speaking to the rally that has taken place on the 10th of April, right here. So, but currently, from the technical point of view, you can see our short-term stop is completed. Market has completed mostly free drive. Well, it could climb slightly higher, but in general, if you have the bullish view, you would like to take the long position, it would be better to wait for some pullback here, because target of the free drive is the bottom between second and third drive, and definitely it's not a good idea for taking the long position at the point where free drive has been completed.